Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some unique and amazing crafts. Let's see, here we have created a lovely. Now you have to take the seeds like these and then arrange it in this pattern, outlines as well. You just have to keep on arranging them further. And here, put it all over it so as to get a beautiful result. Now put the sand inside these holes and let's see what are we going to do. Again, you have to put the seeds like these, slices or pulses, and then the sugar in between. Looking so beautiful, right? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Again, you have to spread the seeds in this manner and then make it look like this. Make the imprints and impressions, arrange them further in a pattern like this. And then you have made so many tiny little ants. Isn't it amazing? Looking damn pretty. Keep on proceeding and let's see what are we gonna make next. You have to make the branches, put the shells like these, and here you just have to arrange them further in a flowery pattern in this way. And here's to the result. You just have to make the pot look like this and you are going to color them further on the corners, and here's to it. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Damn, it is. Keep on proceeding further and let's see what are we gonna do. Just arrange these shells and seeds in this manner, and yes, you just have to get them arranged like these, and then you'll be getting an amazing beautiful result, a scenery in the end. Now put the corns pieces in between and here it is. Now you just have to take the pieces like these. Now arrange it further in this manner by making it look like this. Now what we are going to do, you just have to, with the help of, just fill it inside, and then you'll be getting an amazing scenery, a beautiful lovely drawing to be looked at. Isn't it amazing? Again, you need to arrange these shells and then put it one over the other, arrange it in this pattern and get a flowery pattern like this. You just have to keep on arranging them here. Isn't it amazing and beautiful? Yeah, damn, it is. Looking literally amazing. Now what we are going to do, you have to get the pulses. Now you just have to arrange these seeds further in this manner to get an amazing view. And how we are going to do it? Let's see. And in the end, you're just gonna fill it inside here with the help of put the glue and then fill it inside. Isn't it amazing? Again, arrange the shells like these, and what are we, with the help of glue gun, you just have to paste them further in this way. You just have to keep on arranging them further one over the other, and let's wait for the end. What lovely result are we going to get? Just keep on arranging, make a beautiful lovely flower like this, and you will be getting an amazed to see it. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Again, you have to arrange the shells looking like this, and how we are going it, proceeding it further in this manner, you'll be getting an amazing result. Isn't it? Keep on arranging and in the end you'll be amazed to see your drawing further. Thank you guys for watching the video.